Hi, my name is Melissa, and I work in people operations. At our company, we have a talent acquisition process in which I'm responsible for screening and drafting job offers. We're currently selecting developers, analysts, and testers for a new software project we're working on. In order to see how many tasks I am currently assigned to in the talent acquisition process, I go into the Tasks dashboard and click on Talent Acquisition. If I change the period to now, I can see how many tasks I have at the moment in this process. If I click on Screening, I get taken to a list of tasks filtered by the talent acquisition process and by the screening stage. In every task, I have a description of what needs to be done, as well as all the relevant information I need to complete the task. Screening a candidate involves checking their LinkedIn account and their CV to make sure they have enough experience and are a good fit for the job they're applying for. I also need to check whether they are eligible to work in the US. If everything checks out, I appoint a skills assessment officer and complete the task, which moves the process to the next stage. If a candidate doesn't check out, I simply end the process. I'm involved in screening and drafting a job offer. The other stages of the process are the responsibility of other members of the team. After being screened, candidates have their skills assessed and then have an online interview. If they successfully pass those stages, the process then returns to me so I can draft a job offer for them. Underneath each task, I can see the entire log of the process up to that point, including who complete which stage and when, as well as any comments they might have left for me. If someone did not provide enough information for me to draft a job offer, I can return the process to the previous stage and post a comment in the process, explaining why I returned it. Otherwise, I draft a job offer using our corporate template and push the process to the next stage by completing the task. If a candidate accepts our job offer, my job is to start an onboarding process for them. This involves starting a new workflow in Pneumatic and can be done automatically. This, however, is outside the scope of this video.